Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no internet connection tab to retry. So as if you're facing this problem on your TikTok in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem in your iPhone. So the very first solution is that you will have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So for that, drag down your control center and from here make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So as if your internet connection is working properly but still you are facing this problem, then change your internet connection. So as if you are using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you are using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this, go for the other solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is you will have to open up your settings in your device and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So as from here you will have to simply make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So as if there is any connected VPN in your device, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So as after this, go for the other solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is you will have to open up your settings again and from here open your general section and from here scroll it below and tap on date and time. So guys, from here you will have to simply turn this toggle on for set automatically. So I turn this toggle on and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is open up your settings again and tap on general and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and from here tap on reset and from here tap on reset network settings. So let's give here your passcode for your iPhone and reset your network settings and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then there is a final solution, that is you will have to simply uninstall the TikTok app and then you will have to install the updated version in your app store to fix this problem. So update the latest version of TikTok and after this your problem will be fixed. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.